Hey guys! So for today's video, I am so excited to be talking about this. I got this in the mail yesterday and I literally screamed. So I've gotten makeup products from companies in the past and I am so grateful for that. I get so excited every time I get new products from a brand. It's just so cool and exciting to me. But today is particularly exciting because this is my very first big PR package. You guys, this is nuts. Like, I'm so excited right now. This is from the brand Almay. They actually picked me to be a part of their Almay Class of 2018 program. Look at this package. Wait, I'm opening it. I'm opening it for you guys. Are you freaking kidding me? You guys, I am so excited right now. I'm gonna cry. I'm so freaking over the moon right now that this actually happened. So thank you so much to Almay. I really appreciated it. I'm definitely going to be framing this because that's how much of a dork I am. And I like to keep the first of stuff. I get very excited over it and I get very emotional. I got very emotional yesterday. So for today's video with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the package. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the package. I'm gonna go ahead and wear them for you guys. You can see how they apply, you can see how they look. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get into my first big PR package. Okay, so when you first see the box, this is what it looks like. I was so excited, it's so pretty. And then you open it up and this is what it looks like I was showing you guys before. It says, welcome to the Almay Class of 2018, and it has the little pin. And that's kind of perfect because I have like a little board on the back here. Right now it says, thank you Almay, because I really freaking appreciated this package. I was just so excited and over the moon about it. I'm sorry, you're gonna see me being a dork this whole time, and I really apologize for that. Also, disclaimer here, I am not being paid to talk about any of this stuff. This is just an awesome package that Almay decided to send to me. If I ever did a sponsored video, I will definitely let you guys know, or I would at least post it in the comments down below. And I would not be talking about a product and raving about one unless I genuinely loved it. Just so you guys know. But yeah, the first thing in here is this little board. I love it so much, it's so cute. And they also came with extra letters. So I have extra letters that I can put on this board or I can put it on that board. I'm so excited, this was so nice of them. And then they also gave me like a little Almay Class of 2018 yearbook, like this little pamphlet that basically just shows me all the products that they decided to give me. And then they also went ahead and sent me this little card saying, welcome to the Almay Class of 2018. I'm so inspired by your creativity and can't wait for you to join Almay's new generation of fearless originals that's all about celebrating you. This is so freaking cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the products. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them on my face, and you guys will see how they wear and such. All right, so the first thing in here is these makeup wipes. They're infused with aloe, cucumber, and green tea for clean, fresh skin. Ooh, I'm pretty excited about this. It says it gently removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, which is awesome. So I'm super excited to try these out. This is probably one of the ones I'm gonna wind up keeping on my desk here, which will be nice. Okay, this is actually something I've been really freaking excited to try out. My friend came over yesterday and we were actually playing with this. It is the Make Them Jelly Highlight. It's one of their newer highlighters. You open it up, you open up this little thingy here, and there's like, it's like a highlighter jelly inside. Like, it's literally like jelly. It's so weird. I'm so excited to try this though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dip my finger in this. It's so jelly-ish. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on my cheekbone. I'm assuming I just kind of like dab it in there. You know what I'm going to use this for? I'm going to use this for my next music festival because this is going to be sick as hell for that. And it builds too, which is nice. So if you kind of want that subtle unicorn glow, you can get that. Or if you want a more dramatic unicorn glow, you could get that also. I actually really like this. It doesn't feel super sticky. It actually feels pretty hydrating too. It has like a cooling sensation to it, which I actually really like because I love when any type of product has like a cooling sensation with it. I'm gonna see how the other side applies with a beauty blender. Ooh, I actually like it with the beauty blender more. Look, it's so much more unicorn essence-y. Boom! Sending you some unicorn realness here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side because this side looks a little crazy compared to this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and dab that into this side as well. That is so pretty, you guys. I actually really like this. It actually looks really nice. It sinks into the skin really well. I'm actually extremely impressed by this. I actually love it so far. And this packaging gets an A+ for me. This packaging is so freaking cool, you guys. This one's in the Make Them Jelly Highlight in 100 Mermaid Magic. This is also what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a mermaid. Duh. All right, the next products in the box that I'm going to try out are these two eyeshadow quads that they gave me. One is in the shade Fairy Tale, and it actually has a few different colors in it. This is gonna be perfect for springtime because one is a baby pink color, one is like a pale yellow, a pale blue, and then a pale green as well. The other one that I have is in the shade Pixie Kiss, and I actually really like this one. I think this one's also gonna be perfect for springtime. It just has a bunch of different colored pinks in it. Like you got your hot pink, you got your baby pink, you got your coral pink, and then you got pretty much just your standard regular pink color. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these pinks here. I think I'm gonna take this baby pink, like the first one in the quad, because it's springtime and who doesn't love a good baby pink color in the springtime? Honestly, it looks so freaking pretty with your makeup. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my lower lash line because I already have some eyeshadow at the top. I might actually want to. Oh shit, this is pigmented. This is pretty. I actually really like this. It's applying really nicely. It's blending out really nicely too, because at first when I put it on, it was like, whoa, pigmentation. Now I know not to put as much on this brush, but so far so good. I actually really like this baby pink color. It's really pretty. So far pigmentation on this is actually really great. I really like the way this looks. By the way, I didn't realize this at first and I should have read this on the pamphlet. These products are all hypoallergenic. If you're usually like allergic to makeup or if your skin gets irritated really easily, you're not gonna have that issue with these products, which is amazing. Another thing I really love about this brand, sorry, just want to put that as a little side note, I realized that I read that on the pamphlet and I was like, huh, I don't think I mentioned that. So just thought I'd go ahead and throw that in here. Okay, now I'm trying to think what I want to do. I think I want to actually do this yellow color because I feel like it'll look really nice with like the baby pink under here. So I'm gonna dip my finger in the yellow color. I'm just gonna add that to my other lid as well. I actually really like this. This is actually turning out really pretty. A nice little springy eye look. But the next thing I wanted to show you guys in the box are these eyeliners. They are their pen eyeliners. One is in black and then the other one is in brown. Let me actually see how they swatch for you guys. Like that. And then here is the black. Ooh, I'm gonna try out the wipe for you guys now since I did a little swatch. Here are the Almay wipes. I went ahead and opened it. I'm gonna take one out. They smell like anything? They smell like something. I'm not sure what the smell is. It's not a bad smell. It actually smells pretty good. Wipe this off my hand. Show you guys how it gets everything off. Yeah, did a really good job cleaning off my hand, and my hand feels super moisturized right now, so I am liking that for my face. So I'm definitely gonna try these out later. If you guys want, I'll let you guys know in the comments below how it felt when I was removing my makeup, how well it did at removing my makeup. I will let you guys know down below. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try these eyeliner pens. I don't know, you guys, I still feel like black would probably be best. I'm just so used to black eyeliner, you guys. I just can't help myself. I can't part with it. I'm an emo girl at heart, so. All right, I am going to go ahead. I hate doing this on camera because I always feel so pressured. Okay, so I will say off the bat, the ball at the end is not the best for like winging it out. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up with some concealer, but for keeping it precise like on the lash line, this is the easiest eyeliner I've ever used for that. So I'm extremely impressed with that. It's extremely black, which I have never seen in a drugstore eyeliner before. I'm pretty stoked about that. Sweet, so the eyeliner is actually really freaking good. It's extremely black, which again, like I've said, I have never seen that in a drugstore eyeliner, like how black this is, so I'm very impressed with that also. Again, just a little ball at the top of the eyeliner pen makes it very difficult to do a wing, and that is the only thing, but you can always just go ahead and clean up with some concealer, like no big deal. All right, you guys, and then the last few items I'm gonna show you guys in the box, they are the Almay Goddess glosses. They gave me 3 colors to try out.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all? Only love, only love.
so my final impressions on those glosses, you guys, I actually really like them. They are so fun and iridescent and holographic. They don't feel sticky on the lips, which I love. And applying them, you get a bit of a cooling sensation. And I'm actually very, very picky about lip glosses. I've always been one of those people. I didn't become a gloss girl until recently. If you guys are looking for a good drugstore lip gloss, honestly, go check these out. Big A plus for me. Probably my favorite thing in the package that I got. I absolutely love them. And yeah, you guys, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just such a big deal for me. This is just so cool, and I'm sorry if I kept fangirling and geeking out this whole video. I'm just so happy right now, and I'm just so over the moon that a brand like actually believed in me and wanted me to be a part of this class of 2018 for Almay. Like, this is just so freaking cool, and I'm gonna cry again talking about it. I'm not gonna cry right now. I'm feeling tears right now, so I need to end this video. Again, to Almay, I just want to say thank you so much if you guys watched this video. This honestly just meant so much to me, and I honestly can't thank you guys enough. This was my first like big like designed package, so I'm just so happy right now. This is amazing. I'm gonna frame this bad boy. Just saying, I'm gonna be framing this big boy. I don't know how, but I'm gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. Oh, coffee. Bit of a weird... Ah! What fell? Oh, one of the eyeshadows. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there. I found it. Ah! Oh, Alright, let's do this. Just stay. Okay.